Hello viewers, do you know that Microsoft Excel has a hidden camera feature? In this tutorial, I will show you the hidden camera feature and I will also show you how to use it in Excel. So to set up the hidden camera feature, we have to click the quick access toolbar and then select the more commands option and then select the all commands and search the camera icon here. So let us search the camera here. So this is the camera icon. So I clicked here and then add it. After that I click OK. So I have got the camera icon above the tools bar. So now if I want to use this camera in my Excel, so how do I use it? So let us select some text from this data sheet. So I have selected this data and click the camera icon. Okay, this camera icon, select or take a snapshot of the selected data. So if I want to paste it the second sheet, so I just click here and the picture has been set here. So we can easily use this picture here by clicking the right button here and then click the edit picture. So let's edit. So we are able to edit here. So let's see, I write F1 instead of I write R1 instead of F1. So this is the way how we can edit the selected text or pictures here. So this is the hidden camera feature of Excel. Thank you.